Good morning children. This lecture is for class 10. Earlier I have given you lecture on one topic poetry, that is 9 gold medals, and one topic from short story also we have done, my greatest Olympic prize. Now this topic is also from short story and it's a new topic. The name of the story is The Blue Bead. Now please everybody refer to your workbook and I will explain in the workbook. Yes children, this topic is from your treasure trove workbook, short stories. Name of the topic, The Blue Bead. Name of the author, Nora Burke. Now page 155. The story in detail, I will explain it. The story is about Sibia. So main character of the story is Sibia, a 12 years old child woman. Child woman means she is a child because she is 12 years old, but she works like a woman. So child woman. The story begins with a mugger crocodile coming out of deep water. So when the story begins, a crocodile, जिसको हम हिंदी में मगरमच्छ कहते हैं, so that is why this word is used, came out of the deep water of the river. The crocodile was twice the length of tall man. So length of the crocodile just double of a tall man. Crocodile raised his eyes, raised his nostrils out of the river water to breathe the clean sunny air. Over the year the crocodile had become strong and ferocious. Ferocious means violent, जिसे हिंदी में उग्र कहते हैं. So over many years crocodile has become strong and violent that nothing could pierce inch thick armored hide. Please see this word. Hide means skin of animal. So the skin of crocodile was 1 inch thick, like a armor. Armor, kavach. The only vulnerable area were the eyes and soft arms. Please see this word. It means soft and delicate. So the only delicate area of crocodile body was his eyes and underarms, which were soft. Beside the crocodile, as he lay waiting for his food, glimmered a blue bead. Glimmered means shining. So crocodile was waiting for his food and beside the crocodile a blue bead was there, which was shining. Bead, moti. Sibia, the main character of the story, a thin village girl, dressed in earth colored rag. Earth colored means muddy color. Rag, tattered cloth. फटे पुराने कपड़े उसने पहने हुए थे. And she was eating her last chapati. She was accustomed to the toils of daily life. So she was used to, she was habitual to work hard in her daily life because she worked like a woman. In all her life, she had never owned anything but a rag. So this depicts the poor condition of Sibia, that she is only having a rag, a tattered cloth. But she wished to make a bead necklace for herself that would rattle around her neck. लेकिन वो बहुत desirous थी, उसकी विश थी कि उसके पास भी एक नेकलेस हो जो बीड का बना हुआ हो, मोती का बना हुआ हो. Rattle means sound of the beads. So that was the wish of Sibia, a necklace made of bead, which she will wear around her neck. One day Sibia went with her mother and some other women of the village to collect paper grass, soft grass, from the cliff over the river. So she went with mother and other women of the village to collect the paper grass from the cliff. The women felt that they toiled all day long. So the women of the village, they felt that they work hard all day long. And the agents of the paper mill, they sat on a cushion made of silk and enjoyed a comfortable life. लेकिन इस तरह की थॉट्स सिबिया को ट्रबल नहीं करती थी. The only luxury that she wanted to make a necklace for herself with shiny scarlet seed. Scarlet seed जो पाए जाते हैं जंगल एरियाज में, स्कारलेट सीड्स बीज होते हैं. सो दे वर वेरी शाइनी and the poor people, the poor village ladies and girls, they make a garland out of those scarlet seeds. Page 156. Those scarlet seeds were hard as stone. So the ladies, they drill it with the hot needle to make a garland. Scarlet seed hard होते हैं स्टोन की तरह, इसलिए जितनी भी विलेज वुमेन हैं वो नीडल को हॉट करके तब वो पियर्स करती हैं, ड्रिल करती हैं और उसका गार्लैंड बनाती हैं. द फैमिली नीडल वॉज स्नैप्ड. स्नैप्ड मीन्स ब्रोकन. सिबिया's family was so poor that needle was broken, so she had to wait till they could buy another needle. So this sentence depicts the poverty, the poor condition of Sibia. On their way, the women passed Gujjar encampment. So when the village women pass to the cliff, रास्ते में पड़ता है गुज्जर्स का कैंप. Sibia glanced at the Gujjar women as she went toward the cliff. So Sibia looked at the Gujjar women as they went along the hill to collect the paper grass. The Gujjars, like Sibia, were Janglis, means uncultured. They were born and they were bred in the forest. उनकी परवरिश फॉरेस्ट में हुई है. So they were uncivilized people. They got their living from animals, grass and trees. The women, after collecting the paper grass, came back. But Sibia was left trailing behind. So she was left behind. She was carrying heavy load and she was just a 12 years old girl. So that is why her muscles were aching, paining. When she put down the bundle of grass to take rest, Sibia noticed a Gujjar woman who was coming down to the river water to fill 2 pots, and Sibia saw that Gujjar woman was attacked by a crocodile. Sibia immediately sprang means jump, into action to save that Gujjar woman. And then Sibia used her common sense. With all the force, she aimed at crocodile eyes with her hay fork. Sibia is having 2 tools, sickle and hay fork. Hay means dry grass. So hay fork ऐसी शेप का होता है to collect the dry grass. And crocodile crushed back and exploded into water because her eye was badly injured by hay fork and disappeared in pain. In this way, Sibia injured badly the crocodile and saved the Gujjar woman. Then Sibia dragged the fainting woman out of the water. Sibia फिर खींच कर लाती है उस बेहोश औरत को रिवर वाटर से बाहर and help her to reach the camp safely. Then she came back to take her grass, to take sickle and hay fork. Then Sibia found a blue bead lying near the hay fork and she was overjoyed. On her way back to home, when her mother said that she thought something had happened to her, उसकी मदर ने कहा कि उसे लगा था कि सिबिया को कुछ हो चुका है, कुछ ट्रेजिक हो चुका है. तो सिबिया just told her story and cried, something did. I found blue bead for my necklace. Look. For the poor condition, I can say the सिबिया के लिए क्रोकोडाइल से फाइट करना या क्रोकोडाइल को इंजर्ड करना एक बड़ी बात नहीं है, लेकिन उनकी कंडीशन इतनी पुअर है कि उसके लिए एक ब्लू बीड मिल जाना जिससे वो अपना नेकलेस में पहन सके, वो उसके लिए एक बहुत बड़ी बात है. दैट इज वाई द टाइटल इज ब्लू बीड.